talk to me, so we'll take the place of the one you trusted. A new assembly, a host that had to be readjusted. Begin lobotomy.